Hello friends, welcome back to our channel FoSTaC 360 and you're watching FoSTaC Guides. We have received so many queries regarding FoSTaC training, especially for FoSTaC Manufacturing Level 2 training. So in this video, we will be solving all your queries like what is FoSTaC training, why is it so important, whom should attend this training, value of FoSTaC certificate, how to enroll for this training and so on. So watch this video till end and solve all your queries regarding the FoSTaC Manufacturing Level 2. FoSTaC, Food Safety Training and Certification. FoSTaC is an initiative by FSSA whereby food safety trainings are conducted for target groups in the food business to maximize knowledge and awareness of food safety regulations and policies to ensure food safety and hygiene. All food businesses having central licenses or state licenses should have at least one trained and certified food safety supervisor for every 25 food handlers. Candidates trained under FoSTaC will be certified as Food Safety Supervisor (FSS). This training will definitely help to improve your knowledge and get updated in all the food safety aspects. If you are a fresher or a final year student, this will help you to strengthen your resume. Now you may be wondering, whom should attend the FoSTaC Manufacturing Level 2 training program and what is its eligibility criteria? Actually, there is no specific eligibility criteria to attend this training. We are highly recommending you to attend this training for those who are already working in a food industry or those who are planning to work in a food industry. Also for final year students and freshers who plans to work in a food industry. Validity of the certificate is 2 years. You can attend this training online itself. It is an one-day training program which takes around 8 hours. An evaluation test will be conducted at the end of the session as per the protocol. Anyone can easily score more than 50% to pass the test, so don't get worried about the test. After successful completion of the training program, you will be receiving FoSTaC certificate issued by FSSA. Even if you lost the copy of the certificate, you can download it from the FSSA FoSTaC website. We have mentioned the schedule for the upcoming training session of FoSTaC Manufacturing Level 2. So click the registration link from the description or comment section to enroll now. We will be keep on updating the schedule even if you miss the current one. Link has given in the description and comment section. For further queries, kindly contact us through WhatsApp. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel FoSTaC 360. Thank you.